Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I will show you how you can take a screenshot without using buttons, so it's called the gestures screenshot. You have to go for the settings at the first, go for the additional settings, find gesture shortcuts, and then find take a screenshot. So as you can see, we can use 3 fingers, slide like that. Of course we have to enable this feature like that, and take a look. When you make this gesture, the screenshot was taken. And here it is, we can save by tapping on the right upper corner, so we can capture every screen that you have on the phone. So as you can see, that's all, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.